Good day everyone. I am tasked to report about Israel police system. Introduction. Israel is a country in the southern Levant region of West Asia on the eastern shores of the Mediterranean Sea. It's bordered by Lebanon and Syria to the north, Jordan and West Bank to the east, Egypt and the Gaza Strip to the southeast, and Mediterranean Sea to west. Overview. The country is divided into 4 police districts, which are divided in sub-district and station. The patrol arm of the INP is responsible for public peace and security, law enforcement, crime prevention, and public order. The INP, together with the Israeli Defense Force, act as Israel's Coast Guard. Type of law enforcement. The National Police Force that handles civilian law enforcement including crime fighting, traffic control, and public safety. The Israel Police has many units including Civil Guard, Border Police, Yamam, Yasam, Yamas, National Traffic Police. Recruitment. Ito ang mga kailangan. Exam. Candidate must pass a series of exam positions like police investigators and prosecutors require highest test score. Personality test. Candidates undergo personality tests to assess their behavior, patterns, and characteristics. Background checks. Candidates' personal information is examined including military service, history, traffic reports, police records, and debt records. Vetting. Individuals who have committed serious crime or gross violation of human rights are not allowed to continue in the vetting process. And dito naman tayo sa mga rank ng PNP sa Israel. Rav Nitzav, the Inspector General, Commissioner, and Head of the Israeli Police. Nitzav, the Major General and Deputy Head of the Police. Tat Nitzav, the Brigadier General and Deputy District Commanders. Rav Samal Rishon, the Master Sergeant. Rav Samal Mitkadem, the First Sergeant. Rav Samal Bakir, the Sergeant Major. And dito naman tayo sa mga firearms, weapon, and equipment ng mga Israel. At ito ang mga firearm ng mga taga-Israel. Galil AR, Mini OC, X95, Sitar 21, Jericho 941, and Desert Eagle Mark. At ito ang vehicle na ginagamit ng mga PNP sa Israel. At ito rin ang uniform na mga sinusuot ng mga PNP sa Israel. And dumako naman tayo sa best practices ng mga PNP sa Israel. Focused deterrence. This method is aimed at high-risk segments of the population rather than the general population. It involves partnership with community organization and members and can require structural realignment. Procedural justice model. This model can help improve public support for the police. Conflict of interest detection. The Israel police has a procedure to detect potential conflicts of interest or corruption. Employees in sensitive position or above certain ranks must complete questionnaires to identify potential conflict. Community policing. This involves partnerships with the community, volunteers, and problem-oriented policing. Deterrence program oversight. The Israel Police should create a national deterrence program oversight team and deterrence research team. This team should ensure that interventions are based on empirical analysis, responsive to public needs, and evaluated. And that's the end of my presentation.